Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to split screens from browsers, applications, whatever you want. Okay, so let's open some stuff. So for example, we have a browser open, two browsers open, Microsoft Edge and Brava, for example, and we have the File Explorer. So we want to split the screen in two and we want to use the two browsers behind. Select one of the browsers, press on Windows key and press on left or right. For example, left. There you go. If you leave the Windows key, it will ask you which screen do you want to split the other half with. So it will show you all the applications you have open and you can select one of them. For example, I want to select the second browser. So there you go. So now you have two browsers and you can work with both of them at the same time. An extra tip, you can also, for example, I have this one and you can do this 4 times or even more if you want. So I will press on the Windows key to the left and down. And I want in that corner, that left upper corner, I want to use Brava or Brave. There you go. Have a great day.